Today I have this piece in front of me because I took it off from this part, and that is because I'm trying to get to the front speakers. I bought the front speakers many moons ago, and that's the speakers I got. 25 RMS should be just about all right. No, it shouldn't be all right, it should be perfect. Right, it is Club 322F. Oh, there you go, I think. 3 ohms, that's it. 3 ohms, 25 RMS, and that is, it's a 3.5 inch. Right, so this pops off. Just literally put your screwdriver in there and then put your hand in there, slowly clip. It holds on with this bit here. It's like a bit that prevents to drop completely, so you just need to slide a little plastic from here. The rest of it is just the clips, like this one. Yeah, so then you just need to, you have to take them off. You have to take them off, the sides from there and from there, otherwise you won't be able to pick this up because it's literally stuck in there. And then you undo all them clips at the front and then you pull it forward. Okay, and then you just pull it forward like so. Oh, there's a rubber bit. Let me just take that off. Right, that is gone. Now that's the speakers we're changing now. I have bought previously like a little angle screwdriver, and I don't know where I put it, so I'm going to try to do something and see if I can take this 2 screws off somehow, because the angle, what I mean by that is, see, you're going to hit the window. It's not, you need a tiny little corner. Let's take the speakers out. I have one of these, it's a ratchet, and you can put anything in there, and I decided to fit one of these screwdriver heads, and that's the way I went into it. And I undone them 2 bolts, basically the really kind of good corner. Now the original Chrysler or Mopar front speakers come with this. By the way, the made in China Chrysler speaker. Oh, there we go. So this is what I have bought. You can see they connect to there. That's the part number. Fiat Mazda. So Mazda is using the same kind of thing. Oh look, it's from Poland. Okay, cool. Right, let's open this. I'm going to plug it straight in there, and that goes into the speaker. I have to admit, unboxing the brand new stuff is really cool, and it's always exciting. Right, so cool that we get some cool stickers. When I was younger, I used to care about this so much. Oh, that I think needs to go underneath the speaker, right? So let's take this out. My gosh, the magnet is so much bigger. Let me see if I can just... Yeah, a little, well, it's pushing back right now. Yeah, it's slightly wider, the magnet. Okay, I plugged this in already. It goes straight in there. So plus and minus goes in there. Plus is the red, obviously. Let's plug this in. Right, so what you need to do is use this bit that came with the speaker and put it on the edge all around. That will give you a perfect seal between the speaker and the metal frame of it. Let's do that. So that's the foam part surrounding. Now let's connect it. Right, so the speaker is now in, I believe positioned correctly. So this hole is the original. I didn't make anything bigger, smaller, just replacing the actual speakers. So let's just screw that in with the original ones. As soon as you're undone to all these kind of nuts, bolts, screws. No, that's just screws, no nuts. Pick it up carefully. Oh, the wire won't let you. It won't let me take it out easy. Okay. Okay, I can't do it with one hand. Right. As soon as you need to basically press on this little nipple there with a screwdriver and it comes off. Now to the next thing is to fit that and the other end to the speaker. And there you go. Voila, it's all easy stuff, I think. The plug connected, plus and minus connected, little foam on the edge done. Let's fit this JBL into the place. Right, let me do this again. As soon as the speaker back in, you can put the screws back in, tighten it all up, and we're going to go to the next stage, which is putting the plastic back in. Now I've got the plastic cover ready, so I need to manage to fit it into them little holes there, and what I need to manage is these little things here. So it's, in theory, it's nice and easy. In practice it might be different. See them? That goes in there. And once you get one in, the other one's supposed to line up, and you just close it. Now this plastic is now perfectly fitted. Now I need to just put the cover back on. This is where is it? This bit here. See, it's just the security thing, so it's holding on perfectly. That's supposed to go in there. Right. I need to make sure that I align everything so everything fits perfectly. So anyway, you line this up, you put this back on, and everything just clips on this thing. That one's done. Now to the last one. Connect this holding bit, and as you can see there's a holes where it's supposed to go. If you pull this rubber seal away a little bit, it'll be easier to get it lined up. Like that's supposed to go over it. Let's fix that. So now that's fixed. Now we can put this rubber back on. Water. Yeah, that's not bad at all. And I like my light. Right, just need to clean it up a little bit. So the original amplifier that car came with, it's still there. The only thing I did is I took the signal from the front two speakers, put it through the RCA converter. I think it's called LC7 by Audio Phone. I can't remember the name of it. LC7i. That's what I got. Lights are switching off, but you can see me. LC7i gets the signal from 4 speakers, 2 6x9s at the front, 2 6x9s at the back, and send them further to amplifier, the Pioneer amplifier 4-channel, that then sends the signal back to the new speakers. Everything is new wire up kind of thing. This is what I have. But the front 2 dash speakers, they are original Fitman 3.5s. They are originally fitted to the same spots where by the manufacturer they're designed to be. But what I did do is I left the original amplifier, and that's what you hear. The original amplifier, the original Chrysler amplifier, is running 2 front speakers, nothing else. So was it hard? Not really, no. Take apart 2 side covers, pillar covers, A-pillar, I think they're called A-pillar covers. Maybe I'm wrong. Comment please. Then you just undo the front part of the dash plastic, and it slides towards you, and then you can undo the 2 nuts, 2 screws from one side, 2 screws from the other side, to take the speakers off. Change the speakers, change the wire. Well, I use the wire adapter, so you don't need to mess around cutting wires, anything. Just plug in, done. Put a speaker back in. That's it. It's not hard, guys. Do it yourself at home. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped anybody how to change your speakers at the front dash of a 300S, you're welcome. Later.